Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Supabase Auth UI to streamline signups. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, navigate to your Supabase project dashboard. Go to the Authentication section on the left sidebar. Click on the Settings tab within the Authentication section. Here, you'll find various options for configuring your authentication settings. First, ensure that your site URL is correctly set in the Site URL field. This URL is crucial for redirecting users post-authentication. Next, move to the Auth Providers section. Enable any authentication providers you want to offer, like Google, GitHub, or email. For email signups, toggle the option for email confirmations to allow users to verify their email addresses. Now, head over to the Redirect URL section. Add a redirect URL for successful logins and one for logouts. These URLs determine where users will be directed once they are authenticated or log out. Next, consider customizing the email templates for your sign-up confirmations. Navigate to Email Templates to adjust the subject lines and body text. Make the messages welcoming and consistent with your brand voice. Now, let's configure the Supabase UI component. Install the Supabase UI package in your project. Use the command that fits your development environment, like npm or yarn. Once installed, import the Auth UI component into your desired JavaScript file. You can then use this component and pass in your Supabase client instance. Make sure to specify the redirect URLs that you've set earlier. Customize the appearance of the Auth UI to match your application's theme. You can adjust colors, fonts, and styles to ensure a seamless user experience. Test your configuration by running the application. Create a new user account to see the sign-up process in action. Confirm that you received the email and can successfully log in after verification. Finally, review the user experience from both the front-end and back-end perspectives. Make any necessary tweaks to ensure the flow is smooth and intuitive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.